So I got some kids' footwear, and what I want to illustrate with my photo shoot is the creativity behind a kid. I want to play with colors to have a nice, cheerful and playful environment to then create a nice shot for Instagram. So to create this look, I've used a blue background on the back, and then on top of it, I've just added a yellow paper that I've ripped so I can create this paddle out of paper. As I'm shooting for social media, I've pre-selected an aspect ratio that is 4:5, and that will be perfect to then go on Instagram or Facebook. The angle that I've chosen is so I could see the inside of a puddle, but as well the full shape of the boot. I've removed the lighting on the back wall to create some separation between the background and the boot. Then I've added a little bit more lighting on the front and some on the side, so I get a nice overall light. So when you get to do this photo shoot, just try to be creative with what you have. Tell a story with your elements. So you get the idea of a boot splashing into the puddle. Have fun with your shot. Try to be creative, play with what you have. You can rip the paper, you can hang your shoes. Just have fun with your pictures.